Hi, hello everyone. I hope you all are doing good, staying safe out there. Chennai experienced heavy rain overnight due to some conditions as a prelude to form a low pressure over the Bay of Bengal. Welcome back to another video. So this is a night on Saturday when I was preparing dough for the next day puri breakfast. And on the same night I was preparing laddus. These are delicious nutritious bites which is to be enjoyed guilt-free, sugar-free, vegan and gluten-free energy bites. I'll share you the recipe in a different video. Sunday morning, every day morning, the first thing I do is hot water. Preparing tea. And as this is Sunday, I have to make dosa batter. So 1 cup of poha, which is to be soaked just before 1 hour when I grind the idli batter. So this is soaked chana before night. Apple cider vinegar is a popular home remedy. People have used it for centuries in cooking and medicine. Many people claim it can relieve wide range of health complaints. But you may wonder what the research says. Apple cider vinegar has various healthful properties including antimicrobial and antioxidant effects. What's more, it's all health benefits such as aiding weight loss, reducing cholesterol, lowering blood sugar levels and improving the symptoms of diabetes. I take it every day in the morning with hot water, 5 ml of apple cider vinegar and 1 teaspoon of honey. Apple cider vinegar and honey are often combined in folk medicine. It is also claimed that if you have it before bed or upon rising, that is when you wake up, it aids weight loss and improves seasonal allergies and blood pressure. I recommend this as the best detox drink every day morning. So it is chana with puri for breakfast. So the whole night soaked chana, get it in the pressure cooker, sprinkle some water and add some salt and get it cooked in pressure cooker in a medium flame until one whistle. And after 2 minutes, switch off the flame. So to make chana masala or chana gravy, I have taken 2 medium sized onion, some zira powder and some garlic powder. Grind it in a mixer jar. In a kadhai, I have taken some oil. I have used olive oil here. So add the onion paste. Get it fried well, add some salt. Add 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger garlic and green chilies. Crushing some black crystal salt. So then goes 2 medium-sized tomato puree. So then goes masalas. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. And that's half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Added the cooked chana, mix it well. Add water for the consistency of the gravy. Then I added 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. After it comes to boil, add the chopped coriander leaves. Cook it well. Sprinkle some crushed kasturi methi at the end. Cook it well for about 5 minutes and then switch off the flame. I had puri for breakfast and it was a bit heavy for me. So I had a light lunch that day because as it was all about balancing the calories you take, not about skipping your meal, right? So I have taken some oats and some sliced bananas and poured hot milk. That was a satisfied and filling lunch. We'll meet you all back again with some more interesting videos. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Take care, stay safe, healthy. Bye.